Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account and enabling Microsoft Rewards. Do that first so everything counts. Once done, make Bing your default search engine in Edge or use the Bing mobile app to capture mobile searches. Make sure you switch devices. Desktop and phone searches both earn points, so alternate between them each day. Set a simple routine, 10-15 searches on desktop, then repeat on mobile, to start stacking points quickly and avoid losing progress. Now focus on the middle steps that generate steady points. You should complete daily sets, quick quizzes, polls, and offers that refresh each day. They're small but add up. Next, use Edge features, discover, image and visual searches, and shopping via Microsoft links to unlock bonus rewards. Also, sign into Xbox and open the Microsoft Store to collect device-specific activities. Rotate tasks across platforms so you don't miss refreshes. Consistency beats occasional heavy. Finish by redeeming points strategically. Target gift cards or subscriptions that give best value for your point totals. Keep an eye on the rewards dashboard and set a weekly point goal to maintain momentum. If points seem missing, first sign out and back in on all devices and sync your account, then review your activity history for lapses. If problems persist, clear browser cache and confirm you're signed into the same Microsoft account across platforms before contacting support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.